Inheritance with interfaces allows a class to implement multiple interfaces. An interface defines a contract, specifying methods and properties that a class must implement. Unlike classes, interfaces cannot contain any implementation. To use inheritance with interfaces, you first define an interface. Then, a class can implement that interface, providing concrete implementations for the methods and properties declared in the interface. An interface can also inherit from another interface. When one interface inherits another, the implementing class must provide implementations for the methods of both the parent and the child interfaces. In this way, interfaces enable a form of multiple inheritance, allowing a class to conform to multiple contracts. However, a class can only inherit from one base class but can implement any number of interfaces. To inherit from an interface, use the colon followed by the interface name. Use a comma-separated list if you want to inherit from multiple interfaces.